Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here this morning on a cold, and I do mean cold, December morning. And we got the motor rebuilt in the truck here. We weren't able to film it, but we did get some pictures of it and the different stages of what it went through being rebuilt. So we're going to try a very, very cold start this morning. So let's see how this works out. All right, guys, we got her fired up. Let's go see what that new engine looks like. Guys, we are on the road with the truck, and we've got it tagged, got it insured, and we are taking it to get the dual exhaust put on it today. So hopefully that'll turn out all right, and we'll be able to get some video for you guys. And right now we're working with not a whole lot inside here. No speedometer, no gas hand. We're just kind of like just winging it. So anyway, stay tuned. This ought to be interesting. Well, guys, we did get a little surprise. We stopped to get gas, and look what started working. The gas hand. Still don't have any speedometer, but we still got the biggest part of the dash out of here. So we're gonna have to redo it because it's in pretty bad shape. But anyway, stop, pick up some cash before we go get the dual exhaust. So let's go. All right, guys, here's the pictures I promised. Have a look and see what you think, and more videos to come. All right, guys, this was a few of those pictures that we promised. And remember, like us, subscribe to us. Every little bit helps the channel. And this is pretty much going to do it for this video. And we'll have some more up shortly. So see you on the next one.